Tired of Mega or just looking to tidy up your online life? We'll show you how to permanently delete your Mega account in this quick and easy guide, ensuring your data is completely removed. First, head over to the Mega website and log into your account using your email address and password. Once you're logged in, look for your profile icon or username, usually located in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, find and select the settings option. This will take you to your account settings page. Within the settings menu, locate and click on the security tab or a similar option related to account security. Scroll down, looking for an option labeled delete account, terminate account, or something similar. This is where you'll initiate the account deletion process. You'll likely be prompted to enter your password to confirm that you are the account owner and that you understand the consequences of deleting your account. Enter your password carefully. You might also be asked to check a box to confirm that you understand your data will be permanently deleted and that this action cannot be undone. Then, click the Confirm or Delete Account button to finalize the process. You should receive a confirmation message stating that your account has been successfully deleted. It might take a short period for the deletion to be fully processed, and that's it. You've successfully deleted your Mega account. Your digital footprint is now a little lighter. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.